Hey guys, today's video is all about kicking off your own TikTok or YouTube short channel, where we'll be sharing tips to create viral shorts and reels that'll bring in the cash. If you're struggling to figure out what to post or want a niche with zero competition, stick around. All right, folks, today I've got a game-changing niche for your YouTube journey, one that's flying under the radar. It's the perfect moment to dive into this untapped territory. Get ready to rake in around $300 for each short video you upload. I'm talking about the cartoon motivation niche. And hey, welcome to Saeed AI, the ultimate channel for mastering various AI tools and turning them into real cash. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me give you a quick rundown of this niche. While YouTube and TikTok are flooded with motivational channels, there's still ample opportunity to thrive. After all, people crave motivation constantly. The key? Doing something different. And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you today. First, open ChatGPT and paste the provided prompt in this video description. You can modify this prompt by changing Tom and Jerry cartoon to another famous cartoon. Additionally, you can type the number of motivational quotes you need and then hit enter. After providing the prompt, ChatGPT will generate your script along with an image prompt for our next step. Copy the script. And for the voiceover, I always use 11lab because it sounds the most realistic. Paste the script and generate the voiceover file, ensuring to select a deep voice for our motivational video.
In life, we often feel like Tom, setting elaborate plans to catch success. We work hard, we strategize, and we keep trying to capture our dreams. But sometimes, just like Tom, our plans don't always work out the way we hoped.
Next, after generating audio, we have two options. First, we can generate text to video. Open Google Chrome and search for Hyper AI, then open the website and create a free account. Click on Create Video with Text and paste your image prompt generated from ChatGPT. Then, click on the Settings button, choose a time of 4 seconds, and select a ratio of 9:16 for short videos. Click on Create to generate the video clip. Repeat this method to generate all video clips from text to video. For the second option, open Deco Here AI website and create a free account. Go to the menu and click on Create, then choose the aspect ratio and paste your prompt. Make sure to add a 90s cartoon style so you can get images related to cartoons. Click on the plus button to add them to the library, then download all images from the library. Next, go back to Hyper AI, click on the menu button and select Animate Your Image. Upload your images generated from Decoherence AI, set the time to 4 seconds, and click on Create. Now you have both options to generate cartoon-related videos. Please make sure to add a 90s cartoon style at the end of each prompt so you can result in cartoon videos only. After generating all clips, download and import all data into CapCut. These steps are optional, and you can use any other AI tools to generate videos. Now, drag all clips and voice files onto the timeline. Adjust the audio according to your clip length. Then, go to Transitions and apply any transition you like. I'm adding a left transition here. After that, go to the Effect section and apply any kind of effect that can make your video better.
In life, we often feel like Tom, setting elaborate plans to catch success. We work hard, we strategize.
Next, click on Auto Caption and generate it. Change the template to make it better by adjusting colors, font style, adding shadow effects, etc. It depends on how much time you spend customizing your video. I'm just showing basic settings so that any new person can easily do it.
In life, we often feel like Tom, setting elaborate plans to catch success. We work hard, we strategize, and we keep trying to...
Next, you can add background music. If you're going to upload on YouTube, use YouTube Music. If you're going to upload on TikTok, you can use CapCut Video. Okay, guys, our video is ready. Now, export it. And here is the demo.
In life, we often feel like Tom, setting elaborate plans to catch success. We work hard, we strategize, and we keep trying to capture our dreams. But sometimes, just like Tom, our plans don't always work out the way we hoped. But Jerry is smart and resourceful. He sees the traps and finds clever ways to escape. This shows us that even when we face obstacles, we can find a way through. It takes